Good morning, traders. Thank you so much for joining in for another pre-market video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to be behaving and what are the key levels to look out for. So quickly, let us have a glance at SGX Nifty. SGX Nifty is indicating a slight gap down or a sideways opening, I can say somewhere around 18,200. Let's quickly go ahead and have a look at the charts and see what they are saying at this moment. So at this very juncture, when you look at the open interest, we can see a lot of, put writing that is actually done over here with 18,200 as a support and 18,000 as a bigger support. So as per the open interest, the market is a bit bullish. So we are going to have a hurdle at 18,300. And after that, we can start breaking out on the other direction. So let us go ahead and look at the charts and see what it's saying. So at this moment, what I want to do is I want to quickly change it to a line chart. And I can see that there is a slight curve that is coming up over here. And then let's move to the 10 minutes time frame. So in the 10 minutes time frame, there is a lot of consolidation that is happening over here at this level. So what we would need to do is until and unless 18,268 has been broken on an intraday level, I would ask you to refrain from taking any long positions that are available over here in the market. And also there is a trend line that is coming from the bottom and it is squeezing this particular area over here at the top. That means that, of course, today the index before 130 will make a move either on the upside or the downward direction. And if it is the downward direction, then I want you to know that this is a buy on dips market. And what you need to do is you need to ensure that all the dips have been bought. Check for the volatility and strength on the open interest and then take your decision. So I would say any dip somewhere around 18,150 to a 129 range, I'll be looking for, going long. Until and unless this has been broken decisively in a 15 or a 10-minute time frame is where I will go ahead and look for any downside target. And if that would be the case, then I'm going to look at the round number touch of 18,000 is what I'm going to happen. So this is something that I'll be looking forward for. And if it is breaking the upside, like we had a look on the open interest, 18,450 will be the next target that we will be looking for. And this can be achieved almost intraday, 170 points with, a normal movement. So let's quickly look at Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also has a similar kind of a scenario. So in Bank Nifty, let us quickly go ahead and look at the open interest. So let me just come back over here. So in the open interest parameter over here, 18,000 is having a high put writing over here. That means that 38,000, my apologies, will be a big support and 38,500 would be a resistance. So let us quickly go and have a look and see whether they validate their ideas over here. So looking at this at the moment, this is 38,500. And this is the 38,000. Yes, absolutely. So I would say any dip that is going to come around 38,000 is going to be a buying scenario for me. So I can say that even if it extends itself to 37,987, I'll be looking for any buying opportunity. But however, I want you to know that there is a trend line that has been broken over here decisively, where Bank Nifty is having a bit of a momentum. So I would say if 38,500 is being broken out today decisively, then I'm going to look for a very easy target of 38,849. So this would be easily available for us. And from there, if this has been broken on towards the downside, then I'll be looking for 37,500. And this level is going to be easily achieved for us without any trouble. But remember, anytime it is coming to 38,000, I'll be looking for a buying opportunity. Now, in the change in open interest, we have found out that 38,000 put has been getting a highest open interest, and there has been an unwinding over here on 38,500 put. So that means that there is a high probability that the market will be on a bullish front. HDFC Bank's results were pretty great. So we have to look and see how the market reacts to that situation and then wait for an appropriate move. So this is my 2 cents for you today. I hope my levels helped you make profits. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. Jai Hind. Goodbye. Goodbye for now.